Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Trinidad-style milk fudge. First, gather your ingredients: full cream milk, granulated sugar, and a touch of butter. You'll also need flavorings like vanilla essence and freshly grated nutmeg to give it that authentic taste. Make sure you have a sturdy, heavy-bottomed pot ready for cooking. Now, combine your full cream milk and sugar in the heavy-bottomed pot. Begin cooking this mixture over a medium heat, stirring continuously to prevent scorching. This stage requires patience, as you'll need to cook it until it thickens considerably and truly starts to pull away from the sides of the pot. To check if your fudge is ready, perform the cold water test. Drop a small amount of the mixture into cold water. It should form a soft ball. Once it reaches this stage, remove it from the heat and quickly stir in your butter, vanilla essence, and grated nutmeg for that delightful aroma and taste. Immediately pour the hot fudge mixture into a greased pan, spreading it evenly with a spatula. Work quickly, as it sets fast. Before it completely hardens, score the fudge into desired squares or diamond shapes. Let it cool completely, then break apart and enjoy your delicious homemade Trinidad-style milk fudge.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.